In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Twitter header in Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional banner that fits perfectly across devices and keeps your most important details front and center. First, a quick note on size so your header looks great everywhere. The recommended Twitter header dimensions are 1500 by 500 pixels, which is a 3:1 ratio. This wide format stretches across desktop and mobile, and Canva automatically uses these settings when you pick the right design type, so you won't need to resize anything manually. Go ahead and open your browser, head to canva.com, and log in. On the Canva home screen, use the search bar at the top and type Twitter header or X Twitter header. Select that option from the results. This opens a new design with the correct dimensions already set. You'll land in the editor with a panel of templates on the left. Browse until you find a style that suits your brand or vibe. Pick a layout with clear, readable text and enough visual breathing room. Click the one you like, and it'll load onto your canvas. Now customize it. Click any text box and type in your channel name, tagline, or a short callout. Keep it concise. Headers are seen at a glance. Choose fonts that reflect your brand, and use no more than 2 or 3 to maintain hierarchy. Adjust size and spacing so your primary message is dominant and easy to read. Swap images next. You can upload your own photos or choose from Canva's photos and elements. Aim for high-resolution images with good contrast against your text. If needed, add a subtle overlay or adjust transparency to improve legibility. Update colors to match your brand. Consistent hues help everything feel cohesive. Use alignment tools and guides to center key content and keep spacing even. Be mindful of the safe area. On Twitter, your profile photo overlaps the bottom left portion of the header. Avoid placing logos, names, or critical text near that area. Keeping important content centered and slightly above the midpoint usually works best. Also leave a little margin near the edges so nothing looks cramped after upload. When you're happy with the design, click Share in the top right, then Download. Choose PNG for crisper graphics and logos, or JPG for a smaller file size. Canva already has the correct size set, so you can leave it as is. Click Download, and your header is ready to use. That's it. Simple, polished, and perfectly sized for Twitter.